Well, if you spend hundreds of dollars, francs, euros on something, then this thing better stand out. Then this thing better make a style statement, and that's what my new Dolce and Gabbana shoes are gonna do. I have been waiting for this shoe since long, and now I have them in my hand, well, more or less, because they are in a box and we're gonna be doing the unboxing together. So let's open the fun. Hello, I'm Jo and welcome to my channel Jazzy Jo. If you are new here, consider subscribing because we are doing cool unboxing videos on my channel and lots of fashion fun is happening here that you don't want to miss. So click on that subscribe button and stay connected. No matter whatever your shape, they are going to stay with you and they're going to last very long. So investing in a good pair of shoes is an absolute cool thing to do, and that's what I've done. I have invested in a pair of shoes which are gorgeous. And without any further ado, let's open the box. Literally, this box is closed right now. I have received from Dolce and Gabbana directly. I ordered them in Dolce and Gabbana, Switzerland. That's where I got my shoes from. Dolce and Gabbana is one of my favorite brands, or should I say it's my favorite brand, and the reason is that Dolce and Gabbana products have something about them. They are not boring. They have colors, they have prints, they are brimming with life. If you do not know what I mean, let me show you the box to begin with making my point. Like, seriously, they make the products so beautiful that once you have them, you fall in love with the products just because they look so beautiful. Look, the magic starts from the box. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. It is so feminine. It is really beautiful. It's got flowers on it, some butterflies, and looks like I'm gonna open happiness, you see. What comes between flowers and butterflies? It's happiness. Or grasshoppers. One of these. Comes with bill. Bill is inside the box, okay. I already showed you the box where the happiness starts. Wait for it. This is the shoe cover. Really, how beautiful is that? And let's open it. So excited. Ooh. They are lovely. Seriously. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. They are gorgeous. They are beautiful. Look at these. So welcome home, my lovely pumps. So pretty. Incredible. Love it. And here are the shoes. They look absolutely lovely. It's a pointy shoe. It's perfect for wearing at a wedding or with a jeans and jacket. It has got this crystal embellishment which is so dressy. I am in the size 39. I try to take 0.5 more in pumps because if in case they are getting uncomfortable or something, I can always put in some sole or some comforters to make the fit better. These are not very high. These are only 8.5. That means if I wanted to dance all night in a party, I can totally do that. Ooh. Anyway, looking at these shoes, I feel like dancing. Let's try them on and do some style shot. I am specifically wearing a skirt which has got pretty much all the colors that are found in my shoes as well. So it's gonna look very dressy together. So let's put them on and try them on and see how it looks. Can't wait. Say hello to happiness. Oh, or the other way around. Now. Right, let's go.